Hello and welcome back to another episode of Computing with Kyle. Today we're going to be discussing the cloud and the Internet of Things. The cloud is the hot new word in computing, and many people today don't understand what that means. Simply put, the cloud is just another server that's available through the Internet and the interface with a local device. Using Google Docs, Dropbox, iCloud, or OneDrive are all examples of what the cloud is. With a stable Internet connection, users never know if their data they're looking at is located on their device or the server. And really, most don't care. The benefit of the cloud is when using different devices, all their files are available without any work from the user. With the benefits of the cloud comes some risk. Users are really outsourcing the security concerns of the cloud provider. These services are ripe with information the malicious actors want to get their hands on, making them prime targets for attack. Using the cloud means that you have to trust the service provider to appropriately protect your data from disclosure. The cloud is the foundation for the Internet of Things devices. These devices are found throughout many homes and handle functions such as home security systems, lights, garage door openers, thermostats, health and welfare devices, and even your stereos. These devices work by gathering data points, reporting them to a server, and the user accessing the server through a web page or application on their device. These services provide two-way communication to allow users to make changes such as turning on lights, adjusting temperatures, locking and unlocking doors, or moving security cameras. Obviously, the reach-back capability can provide some serious security concerns if a bad actor were to get access to the cloud services. If using the cloud services, users have to trust that cloud provider. Alright, now that I've thoroughly scared you, and you're running around the house disconnecting all your devices, throwing out your nest, moving off the grid, you can put them all back. There are solutions to your security concerns. First, providers have to protect their networks using the current AI-powered security devices. These devices are able to dynamically reconfigure access rules based on the current traffic, and if using their own cloud heuristics, I know, trusting more clouds, they can do that based off the traffic from other networks. Next, users need to select companies that place security high on their priority. I always say proper security is unseen to the authorized users and impenetrable to intruders. To make this reality, the identity process during the sign-up needs to be very thorough. For security systems, I recommend the initial sign-up require a special one-time password and confirmation from the on-site technician to add the first trusted device. Untrusted devices should never be able to receive or provide data to the cloud. Once the initial device is added, subsequent devices are added through other trusted devices on the account. This will make it difficult to change devices for the end user, but will provide a lot more security. For less intrusive IOT devices, such as health and welfare systems, this can be accomplished the same way companies do through confirming your email. Providing access only through authorized devices creates a second form of protection, known as two-factor authentication. Lastly, companies must implement their own protections to keep their systems protected. If a hacker can break into their systems, the protections recommended before mean nothing. For those who think this may not be a big issue and that the security of your company may not be that important, I recently read an article about the Seattle-based company Wise. They had a security issue that leaked data for 2.4 million of their users. This company provides security cameras, smart locks, and smart plugs. Each of these provide their own concerns if compromised, but at best, it could be an invasion of privacy, or at worst, break-ins. While it was reported by Wise that no access was granted to unauthorized users, the breach also hit on nicknames assigned to the Wise security cameras, the Wi-Fi networks that these devices connected to, and for 24,000 users, the Alexa tokens, which are tokens used for any device using Alexa as the personal assistant, were compromised. Alone, a lot of this information is not a big issue, but some of this information put together could be used to grant access to your home network. The Alexa authentication tokens are a prime example of what a serious security concern is. With those tokens, hackers are able to associate their Alexa device with your account. A lot of what I said relies on the company fixing a lot of their problems with the cloud. That doesn't mean you have to hinge all of your hopes waiting for that perfect provider. Strong passwords can provide a solid line of defense. Changing your password periodically helps to secure it as well. Many organizations have their own ideas behind what makes a strong password, and I'm not going to bore you with any of that. But what I will do is leave you with this XKCD comic instead. In the end, the cloud provides great convenience and peace of mind for consumers who use them, but without proper consideration, can provide the nightmare that consumers hope to avoid. Considering the possible issues and demanding more from these startups will continue to provide the convenience and security that consumers deserve. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you want to know more, leave a comment below. Let's continue to work together to demystify tech.